Hi, I'm Tammy. So the holidays are approaching. Doesn't feel like it here in Florida because it is still in the 80s, but they are. Today it's Halloween. Pretty soon it's going to be Thanksgiving and then Christmas. So I thought I'd do some holiday drinks. This drink is a spicy pomegranate Moscow Mule. That's really hard for me to say. Moscow Mule. It's a tongue twister. Anyway, that's what I'm going to make today. So I hope you stay with me and you stick around to the end to watch this video. So we're going to get started. With this, I have already squeezed a fourth of a grapefruit. We're going to add it to the shaker. I have squeezed half of a lime. We're going to add it to the shaker. I'm going to put a couple of jalapenos in my shaker. And then we're going to add some pomegranate juice into the shaker. And about 2/3 of a cup. And then we're going to add some vodka. I'm going to use 2 ounces of vodka in this. Okay. That's an 1.5 ounces. A little bit of spillage. That's a 1/2 ounce. I had a little bit of spillage, so let's just add a little bit more. All right, there we go. Because, you know, I'd rather have it a little more boozy than less boozy. All right, now we're going to get this shake up. Okay. And this is more just to get the jalapeno kind of in there, so we get a little bit of spice going. All right. Now we are going to drain this into our Moscow Mule cup. And then we're going to top it off with ginger beer, which is super important. We're going to stir that up a little. And then I'm going to just garnish it with some grapefruit, a couple of jalapenos, and some rosemary. There we go. That is a spicy pomegranate Moscow Mule. Now we're going to give it a try. All right, here we go. Oh, it's super delicious. It's really good. You can taste the jalapenos. Putting the rosemary in there, you get that fragrance with it as well. So that gives it that wintry kind of, fallish, wintry kind of smell as well. And it's got a nice, it's not very sweet. It's more, it's refreshing, but it's not super sweet. It's got a nice kind of stable flavor. It's really delicious. Yeah, it's super good. I hope you guys try this one out. It's great. It'll be great for your holidays. And it's really pretty. And it'll stay nice and cold in the cup too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.